Welcome back everyone to another tutorial or video. Today we're going to see the best cell phone plans for seniors. T-Mobile's Essential Choice 55 offers a strong balance between affordability and essential features tailored for seniors. At $45 a month for one line or $60 for two lines with autopay, it's among the cheapest plans offering 5G access in the US. Some of its key features: you have 5G connectivity, 50 gigabytes of high-speed data per month, then deprioritized Scam Shield app for blocking spam calls and changing your phone number annually. Also basic international access, though at reduced speeds, and mobile hotspot access at 3G speeds. So you get affordable and simple for you seniors. Includes 5G access, Scam Shield app, solid performance for light to moderate app usage, then great value for individuals or couples. Though, let's talk about the cons. It only supports up to 2 lines, video limited to 480p quality, mobile hotspot is limited to 3G speeds, data deprioritized after 50 gigabytes a month, and no premium extras like Netflix or Disney+. So, who should get it? Seniors looking for a simple, affordable plan, users who use apps, messaging, and calling regularly but don't need HD streaming or fast tethering. Also couples or individuals per 1 to 2 lines maximum. And who should avoid it? Families needing 3+ lines and heavy users who want HD video streaming, high-speed tethering, or bundled entertainment perks. And that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.